This is our first draft of our science communication project. In interphase, the cells grow and prepare for mitosis. In prophase, chromatones condense into chromosomes and the mitotic spindles form. In prometaphase, the nuclear envelope breaks down and the chromosomes attach to mitotic spindle. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle and the spindles attach. In anaphase, sister chromatids separate at centromere and begin moving to opposite sides of the cell.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, that's true. That would be not cool. And you were right. No,
In telophase, the nuclear envelopes form around the separated chromosomes. Finally, in cytokinesis, the cells divide into two and creates two new cells.